Hi, I'm Elise for Hamilton Beach. This 4-quart stand mixer is designed for hands-free mixing for a wide variety of foods, ranging from light and airy egg whites to sticky bread dough. A powerful 300-watt motor is great for everyday mixing and can handle thick cookie dough and whipped cream in no time. Planetary mixing action gives complete bowl coverage. The mixing head spins as it rotates completely inside the bowl, giving better mixing than traditional 2-beater stand mixers. This mixing action reduces the need to stop and scrape ingredients from the side of the bowl, saving you time. 7 speeds give you maximum versatility and precise control at every speed. Adding ingredients while preparing a recipe is easy. The head tilts up out of the way for bowl access. Non-slip feet keep the mixer still while in use, and the splatter shield guards against messy drips, drops, and spills. Attachments include a non-stick flat beater, dough hook, and whisk. All attachments, as well as the stainless steel 4-quart mixing bowl, are dishwasher safe for fast cleanup. Mix to your heart's content with the Hamilton Beach stand mixer. Now that's good thinking.
As every cook knows, nothing makes prepping and mixing your favorite recipes quicker and easier than using a high-quality stand mixer. And now, thanks to the best name in the business, you can simply and efficiently handle the heaviest mixing tasks with the newest stand mixer from Cuisinart. This powerful 500-watt stand mixer is made of sturdy die-cast metal construction and has 12 mixing speeds for superior precision. The tilt-back head allows for easy access to the mixing bowl, and the included splash guard makes it easy to add ingredients even during operation. The Cuisinart stand mixer comes with 3 accessories: a chef's whisk, dough hook, and flat mixing paddle that all operate with whisper-quiet performance. This machine goes beyond the typical cookies and mashed potatoes, including fluffy creams, whole wheat pasta and pizza dough, and spicy guacamole. There's no end to the convenient solutions this stand mixer delivers. And when your kitchen creativity requires it, you can easily add any of Cuisinart's easy-to-use attachments, like the pasta extruder, dessert maker, or meat grinder. The generous 5.5-quart work bowl comes in polished stainless steel and features an easy grip handle. Make up to 6 cups of cream, process 6 cups of flour, or even 5 dozen cookies. And save time cleaning up, as the bowl, paddle, and dough hook are 100% dishwasher safe. The stand mixer comes in silver, white, or red and is backed by a 3-year warranty. Why wait to simplify your cooking and baking food preparation? Bring home classic cooking convenience with the new Cuisinart stand mixer.
Have the best of both worlds with the combination hand and stand mixing options you get with the Hamilton Beach Classic Stand Mixer. The mixer is easily removed from the base, giving you a hand mixer for easy tasks or a stand mixer for bigger jobs. Traditional beaters, a whisk, and dough hooks are all included. 290 watts of peak power and 6 speeds, including the quick burst button, make mixing easy. The Shift and Stir Bowl feature lets you shift the included 4-quart stainless steel bowl from side to side as it turns for more thorough mixing. So mix things up with the Hamilton Beach Classic Stand Mixer. Now that's good thinking.
video is for the Nurxiovo 3-in-1 stand mixer, blender, and meat mincer. This will show all of the attachments that you receive when you purchase this, in addition to how to use them, how to attach them, and what you can use them for. Some of the things I made, I use this, you'll see in the video. So you'll be able to see the breads, pastas, and baked goods you can use this mixer for, and how easy it is to actually use, and how great it is to add to your kitchen. You can see we go over all the pieces here. You can see it's in its full form. You can keep it this way, you can store it this way, or you can take it apart as well. So here you can see the stand mixer. It does come with this bowl. It comes with a whisker, which is attached. You have the mixer guard, the paddle, the dough hook, the meat pusher, like to push the meat down into, the blender made of hard, sturdy glass, the meat mincer, and then the meat shelf. Here you'll see how to attach the guard, the mix guard. This thing is very nice because it actually attaches to the mixer itself, so you don't have to worry about, making a mess attaching it to the bowl and having the bowl move around with it on. Very easy to attach. You don't have to worry about it coming off. Mixing with this is very easy. The handle you'll see on the right side, I use my hand to push that handle, and then one finger you can push the blender down and bring it into a mixing position, and you use that knob with that really cool blue LED that will show when it's on. You have 6 different blending speeds as well as pulse. So here I'm using the whisk again. I'm going to whisk up some, mix up some of my things, and you can actually hear the different sounds. So that's the sound of this machine in each one of the settings minus pulse. Pulse is at the max setting, which is 6, just so you don't have to go through it. This is how easy it is to add ingredients using the mixing guard. Very cool addition. I do have some friends that have Kitchenaids and they don't have this blocker on here, this mixing guard. So this helps you add ingredients and not have to worry about things flying out of the bowl while you add it. Very, very cool. What you see me mixing here is a pumpkin roll. We made a pumpkin roll this weekend using our new mixer and really came out really good. The rolling is okay, but came out great. We used the stand mixer to make the roll itself and the inside the cream cheese filling. While we were making that, we did run out of powdered sugar. So this here shows you just how well this thing is really great for cooks or bakers, because I can make my own powdered sugar with the same mixer. I just used the blender attachment. So I poured some sugar in the blender, and then I put this up to max speed, and this will make your own powdered sugar here. So that's what we use to powder the top of that pumpkin roll. So you can use this to make butters and mince up your nuts and stuff if you're going to use that for cookies or brownies. So this really can be used to make everything you're going to do. You don't need a food processor. You don't need to have any of those extra things on your counter. This one machine does everything that I need. Being able to make powdered sugar in a pinch is really cool because I don't have to run to the store and buy powdered sugar, because we run out of powdered sugar pretty often because I don't buy it that often, but we always have sugar. So this was cool. I'm pretty sure we're going to be able to use this with almonds when we make almonds coming up soon. So peanuts probably. I'm going to try with peanut butter too. I haven't really tried that just yet, but something you can do as well. In addition to the whisk and the paddle, you have the dough hook here. So we went ahead, we made some dough. We're going to make some bread and some raviolis. Very easy to use, mixes everything up. You don't have to use your hands anymore and pound the dough, unless you like to knead your dough yourself, but why? Why do that anymore? This is the final attachment here. This is the meat mincer. You'll see here the meat mincer just slides really easy into this hole that's covered by a plastic piece. So you don't have to worry about anything getting stuck in there while you're not using it. You have the meat shelf, attaches to it very simply, and then you have, I don't know, I guess a meat rod or some kind of rod here, this black thing, that's going to allow you to securely and safely push the meat into the blender that you're using. Very easy to take off as well, one-handed while I film this. Very cool machine, easy to use. It's got suction cups on the bottom of the machine as well, so that way it'll stick to the counter. You don't have to worry about bumping into it, moving it. Nothing to worry about here. So lots of cool things you can use this for, and one machine in your kitchen will do so many things.